How to delete all watch later videos from YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear your entire watch later list in one go. First, open YouTube on your Android device. Tap on the U tab at the bottom and go to your playlists. From there, tap on Watch Later. At this point, if you want to remove videos, the only way is removing them individually. So from there, tap on three dots next to the video. From here, tap on Remove from Watch Later from the options that appear. At this stage, repeat this for all the videos available there. Keep in mind, once you remove all videos from Watch Later, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you do not need to revisit any of those videos before confirming. Finally, go back to your Library tab and confirm your Watch Later list is now showing the way you want it. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete all Watch Later videos from YouTube at once, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.